So Julian from Long Island also wanted to know if you could explain some logic terminology where they are logically equivalent. So let's look at another example. I'll call this example 2. Let's show that an implication and its contrapositive are logically equivalent. So here is the solution. Now pause this video and see if you can create a truth table for this. So here is the truth table. We would have an A, a B, and A implies B, and the if and only if symbol, and then not B implies not A. So let's put all the truth values in. So we have true, 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 false, false, true, false, false. Let's copy down all the A's. True, true, false, false, true, true, false, false. And now we're going to copy down all the B's. True, false, true, false, true, false, true, false. And to be consistent with the last example, the color I will use for step 2 is red, pink. So step 2 I will do in pink. So true implies true is true. True implies false is false. False implies anything is true. True. Now, before we can do this implication, we have to negate the premise. So let's negate the premise first. So here we have false, true, false, true. And here we have false, false, true, true. So that's step 2. And for step 3, the color I will use to be consistent with the last video is sky blue. Sky blue, which is here. So now we have false implies anything is true. True implies false is false. False implies anything is true. And true implies true is true. So now a step 4. So our final step will be in green. Well, our next step will be in green. So what we need to do is see if this is the same as this, which is true, and this is the same as this, which is true. And this is the same as this, which is true. And this is the same as this, which is true. So this is a tautology. And the way you would phrase this on an exam to get full credit is you would say, for the solution, and this is really the final step, the tautology establishes that an implication is logically equivalent to its contrapositive.
What's the definition of contrapositive?
So the definition of contrapositive is what we had in the very, very beginning. The contrapositive of an implication is not B implies not A. So what we've just shown here, and that's really a good question from Joe Tech, what we've just shown here is that an implication and its contrapositive are logically equivalent.
Oh, so it's the same thing.
Yes. And I'll tell you this, I haven't proven this yet, but a statement's converse and its inverse are also logically equivalent.
Oh, wow. That's actually pretty cool.
And that's something you can prove on your own. I'd be happy to do it in example 3 of the video. If you like this video, please subscribe, give it a thumbs up, shoot me a comment, and I'll do my best to answer. Thank you.